Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this look using the Goddess of the Sea eyeshadow palette from StarGirl Cosmetics. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already gone ahead and primed my eyes. Today we're going to be going in with the StarGirl Cosmetics Goddess of the Sea eyeshadow palette. This is beautiful. All the glitters, the mattes, the shimmers look fantastic. I've only swatched a few of these, but I haven't actually tried them out yet. So we're going to go ahead and get started in trying them out. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and highlight the brow bone. Something I did notice about the palette is that there are no names for any of the shadow colors. So I'm going to show you. We're gonna go into these color right here, and we're gonna pop that on the brow bone. Same thing for the other eye. Next, we are going to go into this color right here, and we're going to put that on our crease. Right. We're just going to take a fluffy blending brush and go ahead and just blend that out from left to right, and a little bit of swirl. And same thing to the other side. Awesome. Alright. Next, I'm going to jump into this kind of berry shimmery color and put that all over my lid. Alrighty, and I'm going to grab a shade brush, because that's probably what I should have done. So I'm going to grab a kind of a flat shade brush and then pack that on to the other eye instead. Oh yeah, that does way better. Putting the color down faster and better. Alright, then we're going to go ahead and blend. And we're just going to do windshield wipers from left to right. I'm just going to take that up and out. And then let's do the other eye. Windshield wipers. I'm just going to take a closer look at this. Looks very pretty. I just need to bring this one up a little higher now. Take the shade brush again, because it still has a little bit of product on there. And I'm just going to bring it up a little higher. And then I'll blend it up a little more. Alright. So I'll go back and take the blending brush. we're going smoky. I'm gonna take that shimmer shade and just go underneath my eye now. On my lower lash line. And then just kind of drag that color up and out. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So let's go ahead and blend the under eye. And this is kind of why I always do my eyes first, so that if I do like make any like kind of crazy, if I get a little wild with it, then I can just easily clean it up with like little to no problem. Because we'll just put foundation on top of it. Or I'll just take a makeup wipe to it before I put primer on. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up my brow bone a little bit with the first color I already went in with this color. This color. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and blend that. Perfect. This is all I want to do for the eyes today. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face and do my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Today for foundation, we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 185. Take my stipple brush, a little bit of setting spray. I'm going to mist my face already. Gonna move this mirror closer to me. Yep. Always blend your neck. Always blend your neck. Alrighty, now that our foundation is set, we're going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And this is the shade Sunkisses Bronzer. And we're going to go ahead and contour. And I love it when you can build up your contour. I hate it when you can just be like, it goes on and it's just so dark. And same thing with the blush. I don't want a blush to be, just go on and be like, oh, there's your blush. I want to be able to build it onto my face and build it up. Alrighty, that's it for contour. We're gonna move on to a little bit of blush. For blush today, we're gonna be going into MAC's Extra Dimension in Faux. And this honestly matches the eyeshadow very well. So we're just gonna take a little bit of this, and because it is the Extra Dimension, which means it's shimmery, you can definitely tell there's reflect in there. So we're just gonna try and use a little bit. So just a little tap tap, kick it up a little bit, and then follow that contour a little bit. Same thing on the other side. And what's nice about the Extra Dimensions is you can build them up, but you have to be careful because then next thing you know, you're very shiny. Especially if you don't like a very shimmery blush, this would not be it. As you can tell, like, it's shimmery, but I think it's very beautiful. And kind of brings everything together. A little bit on my nose. For highlight, we're going to be going in with the Becca highlighter. This is in the color Rose Quartz. It's a nice pink shimmer shade. And we're going to just put that on our cheekbones. And I always like to do this like little swirl at the temple. I think it just really helps. And then we're going to do down the bridge of the nose. Top of the lip, under the lip, chin, and a little bit on the front of the brow bone. Or this, actually, what is this? Where's your brow bone? Right? The top of your brow. Alrighty, for brows, we're going to be going in with the Brow MVP from Fenty Beauty. We're going to start by brushing up all of our hair. Alright, once we've got all that brow hair up, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna line the bottom of the brow. I take little strokes working my way to the tail of the brow and then back to help make it a little darker, as you can see where it is now. And then we're gonna start by doing little flicks to mimic hair. Alright. Now we're going to go do the same thing to the other brow. Alrighty, I finished filling in both brows. I'm going to go ahead and blend them now. And I'm just going up and out, kind of following the hair growth. The same thing to the other, up and out. Alrighty, brows are on. I'm going to go and put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Alrighty, now that mascara is on, we're going to go ahead and finish the look with a little bit of lip gloss from Haus Laboratories. This is in the shade Screen. This is the completed look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I did. If you guys wanted to purchase anything from StarGirl Cosmetics, you can use promo code QueenD to save 10% off. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.